Obey my commands at all time. Keep it clean as much as possible. Hedge gloves. Let's go.
We have Lisdon versus Ayman.
Yeah. We have Lisdon versus Hyman. Lisdon from red corner, Hyman from the blue corner. Round one to start in a couple of seconds. What interesting fights. And what a production department, you know, giving amateur fighters such a platform to showcase his talent. Now round one, start. Versus Hyman. Liswan trying to center of the cage, pressing forward. Both of them ready to check their kicks. Both the fighters are calm, trying to figure out each other. Beautiful outside leg kick by Hyman. And corner advice from the red corner, start checking leg kicks. Liswan trying to go for a tip, but he was out of the range. Now, Hyman is using his base properly. He's very composed. Hyman is composed, using his reach properly, going for the inside and outside leg kicks. Both the fighters, that are beautiful. If you notice, that was like leg exchange between leg kicks, you know, the shin to shin.
Yeah.
That hurts, man. When shin to shin it hurts. A beautiful.
Hyman goes for a
Hyman just-
takedown. Okay, Hyman now gets a takedown. He's on guard.
Hyman inside guard. Liswan trying to control the posture. Hyman is trying to drag Liswan towards the cage. But a good smart move by Liswan. He's trying to control the posture of Hyman. He's not trying to frame up and land some pounds.
Okay, Hyman still on top. Trying to control the direction which this fight is gonna go ahead. The ref wants Lisdon holding the gloves. In the final 10 seconds of round one.
Round two to begin. Lisdon from the red corner and Hyman from the blue corner. So now Lisdon is taking the center, but Hyman is also in the center. Both are trying to tee off. He's doing a feint. Lisdon is trying to feint through his leg kicks, but Hyman is not reacting to those. Hyman is very confident in his striking. Beautiful body kick attempt, but he was just out of it. Another body kick. This one landed though. Beautiful jab and cross. Out of the reach. Another beautiful hold of clash. Now he was trying to go for takedown, but a beautiful double leg attempt by holding the leg.
Single leg.
Now Lisdon trying to go for the guillotine and controlling the front headlock system and trying to go for an ace, but Hyman going for the takedown. Lisdon using the underhook
Listen,
to angle out.
no. He's throwing good knees to Hyman's body and they are landing. That definitely takes a toll on the energy. And they are
Both are disengaged. Hyman is trying to press forward. A beautiful tip by Lisdon. Both the fighters are exchanging tapes.
Oh,
Beautiful
that
cross.
was a beautiful cross by Lisdon, and he lands it clean. And now Hyman is defending by taking Lisdon down.
So Hyman is trying to pass the guard and frame and punch it. Beautiful. Hyman is now framing and punching. Lisdon is trying to control the posture. A good work doing by Hyman by controlling his posture and landing the blows. But Hyman is trying to create space, throw the kicks. He should be careful of the up kicks. And again, Hyman ended up in Lisdon's guard. This is a good position for Hyman. I think last 10 seconds left. You can go for a barrage of punches from that position. A good second round by both the fighters. Heading to third round. Where is the shot? Gate. Third round
and final round.
So let's not start with the
opens
type.
up with a front body kick.
Both the fighters exchanging leg kicks. Let's see who's gonna put the pressure. Lisdon is opening up a lot of front legs and front leg kicks and teeps. Both the fighters. I think they should stick to their game plan. Beautiful knee in the clinch from Lisdon, but a good control here from Hyman. A good cage control. He secured the underhook and he's trying to finish the takedown. He's keeping his head right in place. And Lisdon is also protecting himself properly. He's having good base and trying to not go down, control himself. And striking, being from the cage. Both the fighters are trying to. Now again, Lisdon is back here in the center. They're got a good pace, Pranit, actually. The pace they're maintaining is decent pace. They're not getting tired. I think they have trained good.
They are well conditioned.
The camp
yes.
shows it. Well conditioned fighters.
Oh, Hyman goes for a
Beautiful
takedown
double leg.
and he gets it. Hyman in the guard, throwing punches from the top. I think Lisdon is trying to attempt a triangle.
Now, Hyman is on top control, controlling position and landing some ground and pound. Lisdon is trying to attempt some submissions, but Hyman has a good base. He's keeping a good base and he's landing the ground and pound. Hyman needs to pivot his hips to. Lisdon needs to pivot his hips to do any sort of submission threats. He doesn't want to stay. I would not recommend Lisdon to stay there on the ground at the third round. I think he should create space and get up or else try submission attempts. A beautiful armbar attempt right here.
He has an armbar.
Beautiful
and Hyman
submission
cuts out.
victory from Lisdon. At the last moment, an armbar. What a victory by Lisdon. A beautiful victory. A beautiful fight with both fighters, but Lisdon at the end using his jiu-jitsu skills got the armbar, and there was no way Hyman was supposed to go into the cage, blocking him. A beautiful fight. But he should still come.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winner. Winner by submission armbar. Let's make some noise for the winner from the red corner, Lisdon!